Don't you want to know what's in your ducts?
When your ducts get dirty, they can develop many different types of bacteria and even mold. When ducts are not properly maintained, dust or harmful particles will flow through your air ducts, causing an unhealthy and unsafe environment for your occupants.
First, tell us about your project, and we'll provide a free on-site evaluation and outline the scope of work. Next, your certified team member will evaluate your job site and explain exactly how the work will be done.
We document every step of our work so that you can have a paper trail to prove that you've gotten your ducts cleaned properly. Through our 20 years of experience, we have helped solve hundreds of different duct cleaning challenges for both employers and property managers.
From the moment you reach out to our team, our top priority is bringing you peace of mind and fast.
Do you want to know where you stand? Then contact us at pacificductcleaning.com with 20 years of experience located in Orange County, California.
To get started with your project, reach out to our team at pacificductcleaning.com whenever and wherever you need it. We are your business's solution to cleaner air.